Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to download and install Winrar in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we need to open up our internet browser. You can use any internet browser. I'll be using Google Chrome today. And what we need to do is come across to the website, which is www.win-rar.com and hit enter. So there's a paid version, but you don't need to worry about that. You can use Winrar completely free. All you need to do is click the blue button here, which says download Winrar. And from here, what you need to do is just ignore this where it's getting you to buy it. And if you click here where at the top where it says continue to download Winrar, and it's just going to come up with some instructions of what you need to do. So step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But basically to install it, all you need to do is click down here where it's downloaded. Locate your downloads folder and it'll be in there. And then you need to click yes. And then all you need to do is run the setup wizard. So all you need to do is just read the license agreement if you want to. And then once you're happy, just go ahead and hit the install button. And then there's some basic features here. So you can choose which kind of files you would like Winrar to open. These are the most common files, so you can just leave that defaulted if you want and click OK. And you'll see it's come up now saying Winrar has been successfully installed to the folder C program files Winrar. And you can obviously change that. You can view the license, do a couple of things from here. And then, yeah, that's it. All you need to do is hit the done button. And you'll see that's now installed onto my computer. So to open it, you just go ahead and click to open. And you can use this to obviously extract zip files, etc. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut for that, all you need to do is simply drag the icon onto your desktop, and that's going to create a shortcut there for easier access to open it. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, where if you give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.